Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to make the skin of your models glow. It's a trick that they use within the makeup world just to really add an extra sense of beauty to your models. And what we can do is emulate what they do with the makeup and implement it into our Photoshop workflow. All you need to do is just follow the simple steps that I show you today. Use them in your imagery. I guarantee you'll be able to really create some really beautiful, innovative, modern pieces of work. As you can see, I've got this image of this model, and the first thing I want to do to this layer is convert it to a smart object. The reason why I want to convert it to a smart object is because eventually what will happen is when I apply a filter, they will apply a smart filter. And the benefit of a smart filter is it comes with a layer mask, and I need a layer mask for the effect that we're applying today. So I'm just going to right click on that layer. As you can see, we've got convert to smart object. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is come up to filter, camera raw filter. Sorry, that was in the lens flare there. Camera raw filter. Make sure that you're in the basic category here. And just all you need to do is increase the exposure and the highlights and the whites. And what I suggest as well is make the whites higher than the highlights and exposure. As you can see on the left-hand side here, the brightness is really coming to life. Manipulate these to a point where you're happy, and then simply press OK. As you can see, we've applied a smart filter. So, therefore, there's a layer mask. But what I need to do is I need to invert this layer mask. So I'm just going to click on the layer mask. The keyboard shortcut to invert it is Command-I for Mac users or Control-I for Windows users, like so. Then I'm just going to zoom in and use a soft, round preset brush here. And I'm just going to come through now. Make sure that your foreground color is white. And I'm just going to bring through the brightness of this image here. Just focus on her face. Try and stay within inside of her contours of her face. And there you have it, guys. You may want to just tidy it up down there as well underneath the chin. Just simply use back on the layer mask, use the color black to do that. And just take that away there, maybe. And there you have it, guys. That's how you can make the skin color of your models glow. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.